So I've just downloaded this app to track my steps. This one right here called Sweatcoin, and it's pretty nice because you can really like it really turns your steps into things like called sweet coins. You can get straight up cash for them, but they have a marketplace where you can trade them for stuff. Now, what kind of stuff now to be? It can be all like all sorts of things. I saw like gift cards for Amazon and or even PayPal, which is basically like store credit. They also have ebook stuff or even more physical products you can buy with sweet coins. Well, you can see right here actually, we can see the partner ads. So here we have up to sell your study notes, earn. Okay, that's other like physical products. As I said, 30% off, 70% off, 40% off. Like I have three right now here, but I need to get 10 so I can get this. Like it's not for free, it's just 70% off Cosmo jewelry, right? That's something you have to understand. Like 40% off. I don't see here the what how much I need. So yeah, there's a lot of here in Spotlight. You can find Spotlight Essentials now trading 10 for 10 Amazon discount on. Okay, just like it's a discount here. It won't give you it for free. Get your first transfer for free Atlantic. Okay, that's another one. Five welcome bonus plus earn up to 500. Okay. Now here also another thing that I would do here is to go to settings here on my profile and click on app tracking and just enable this, because otherwise it's like not going to work properly. So Siri, it's okay. Motion and thickness, notification, show. Okay, actually it seems okay. So we'll use only your data to show you relevant ads. Allow app stat tracking. You can also invite friends, and this doing invites, you can really help you get way more coins. So earn up earns on May, join the top 100 prices. Okay, and here on the home page you can join a challenge, other benefits, and friends, and the home page and steps. All right, so yeah, as you can see, we can also get up to 5 sweet coins right now if you invite friends. Okay, invite a companion. This will make them more active and you will get 5 sweet coins when they join. Okay, that's a good just click on copy and invite. With this link, invite your friends. Okay, invite again or use daily rewards tomorrow. Daily, you can of course use the daily rewards where, and it is located at, and I'm sorry I forgot exactly where it was. Here we have added to your wallet. You can click on here by the way, and I have this amount. We can complete the free offers and spend sweet coins. And so yeah, if you are here, if you click on spend sweet coins, it's going to send you to this page, which is the page that I showed you before. We can spend this sweet coins. Partner app, physical exclusive, those are the offers. Just make sure you have to walk so you can get more coins, and also watch the ads, because I know there's some like you can watch ads and earn. Walk into where it was that one. So yeah, the daily rewards are also pretty awesome because you can watch some ads and get some sweet coins. Anyways, I hope you found this helpful. I hope you if you have more questions, let me know in the comment section. And if you have more questions, let me know in the comments section. And yeah, thanks for watching.